Hi, today we are on our last lesson in chapter 9 and we're going to practice telling time to the hour and half hour again. So same learning target. I can tell time to the hour and half hour. So let's practice a couple. Okay, I notice the little hand, which is the hour hand, is in between the 7 and 8. And the minute hand is halfway around the circle, so it's on the half hour. So right now it would be 7:30. It's halfway to 8 o'clock and it's halfway past 7 o'clock. Now if I take it back to the 12, now it's at the start of the hour. The hour hand is right on the 8 and it's the very start of the hour, so now it's 8 o'clock. So that's what we're gonna do in math today. Let's go ahead and get our math books out. You are on lesson 9.9 on page 561, and we're gonna do some together. So I'm gonna read you what we're gonna do. So we're gonna look at this first box first. So Barbara goes to the store at 8 o'clock. Circle the clock that shows 8 o'clock. So let's look at the two. Those are the two times we just practiced. Okay, I noticed right here that the hour hand is in between 8 and 9, and the minute hand is halfway around the circle. So that would be 8:30, and she went at 8 o'clock. This one, oh, that hour hand is right on 8, and the minute hand is right at the top of the hour, or right at the start of the hour, so that's 8 o'clock. That's the one we want to circle. Okay, let's look down here. Barbara takes Rhea for a walk at 1:30. Circle the clock that shows 1:30. Okay, this first clock, where is the minute hand and the hour hand? They're both on 12. That would be 12 o'clock. That's not 1:30. Okay, how about this one? Okay, the hour hand is on 1, but the minute hand is right at the top of the hour, so that's 1 o'clock, not 1:30. Okay, let's look at the last one. Ooh, I see that the hour hand is in between 1 and 2, so it's past 1. And the minute hand is halfway around the circle, so it's on the half hour. That's 1:30. That's the one we're gonna circle. Okay, let's go to the next page. Okay, so they're showing you both kinds of clocks, an analog and a digital. So it says, where should you draw the minute hand to show the time? So here's the time, 9:00, that's 9 o'clock. That's right at the start of the hour, the top of the hour. So we've got our hour hand on 9. Where does our minute hand go? If it's the start of the hour, or what I call the top of the hour, it's gonna go straight up to the top to the 12. That shows 9 o'clock. And the next one says 9:30. Remember, there's 60 minutes in an hour, so half hour has 30 minutes, because 30 is half of 60. So we've got our hour hand in between 9 and 10, and then our minute hand is gonna go halfway around, so it'll point at the 6. That shows 9:30. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 1 together. So on this part of your page, it says use the hour hand to write the time and draw the minute hand. So you're gonna do two things. You're going to draw the minute hand and then you're gonna write the time in the box. So here's the trick. When it's on the hour hand will point right to the number. And when it's on the half hour, it's going to be in between two numbers because it's halfway in between. So on number 1, I see that the hour hand is right on the 4. So it's right on the 4, it's right at the start of the hour, so the minute hand is going to point to the 12. So I drew it on my big clock here on the board. I've got my hour hand right on the 4. So my minute hand is going to be up here at the 12 because it's right at the start of the hour. That hour hand has not started to move yet. And it would look like this, 4:00, because it's right at the start of the 4 o'clock hour. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 2 together, and then I'm gonna have you work on your own. So on number 2, let's look at where that hour hand is, and it's gonna help us to know where to put the minute hand. Okay, I see the hour hand is right in between the 11 and 12. So if it's halfway in between 11 and 12, the minute hand is going to be on the half hour, halfway around the circle. So that's showing 11:30, which looks like this, 11:30. Okay, that's what you're doing on math today. And you can turn these Chapter 9 math books in on June 1st when we turn in our last round of work and get our report cards. All right, bye first graders.